Where's my champagne at? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Daman. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I feel very elegant and classy today. I've never done dark colors on myself, bold look. I've never done all of this, and I did not know that it will actually suit me, and I feel I've done a good job and kind of outdone myself. I hope that you like this video and come back. I'm happy and proud of what I've done today. So let's just show you. I will shut up now and show you how to do this look. Let's go. Okay, let's get started. I'm actually very excited because I've never ever done something so bold, and I'm gonna do it today. I'll be using my hands. Alright. Never mind. I'll be using my Morphe Exchange Charles palette today. It will be like a smoky brown on the top here, and then black and like mixed and smoked out black here and blue in the middle. I'm excited. It's like I think it's called a halo, middle halo something. Not sure. To get the smoky effect, I'll be using these shades, that on the top and then coming into like the black. So light, I think light first and then dark and then inner darker and then black finally. Taking this one first. I'm doing the crease first and then like smudge it towards the outside. You remember that I mentioned I was doing a video on TikTok, the Barbie look? This is my second look for that. And I'm pretty excited. I think I will be posting that video at the end of this one. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'll post it. Yep, if not, just check my TikTok. I know TikTok's banned in India, and they're saying that they're gonna ban it in Australia as well, so we'll know what happens, but whatever. It's just, it has nothing to do with TikTok. It's just, it was a video that I saw somewhere, someone else do it, and then it was just interesting and I just wanted to try it, and I did. I didn't do very well because of the transitions. I've never done transitions. That's like my first actual transition video, and I was like, oh well, you know, whatever. But I think I did pretty well. There's still like a few shots left because I have to complete this look, but the rest of it is done. So I hope it turns out well. Well, if not, it was just fun doing that. Also, you guys, the Rona's back. Wave 2. There's been hotspots in Sydney and bringing back the restrictions, and I'm still going to work. It's still busy. I think it's, yeah, it was pretty busy, but they've reduced bookings and everything. This looks good. I think it can be more smoked out. Also, I keep trying to look at the lens and not at me, the screen. I keep failing at it. So many people have mentioned that I don't look at, like I'm looking somewhere else. It doesn't look like I'm looking at the camera. Because I don't look at the lens. I look at me. Because I'm like checking out what I've done and how it looks like. And this is me looking at the screen, and this is me looking at the camera, which looks like I'm looking at you. I'm trying. It just doesn't work. I keep forgetting. Try, okay? Give me points for trying. There's too much color on this one, so I'm just blending it with the other one so that I don't keep putting more color on top. Oh. I keep hurting myself every day at work. Like, excuse my hands and knees. But look at that. I hurt myself again. And then I peeled it and then hurt myself again. Multiple hurt. And I also keep burning myself, like, just look at my hands. That's all burns. Burn. Just everywhere burn. And the rest is, if you see like all of these spots and everything, chicken pox! I don't even know where I got the chicken pox from. I still don't know. And then I gave it to my sister as well. That wasn't fun. That was not fun. So technically, I've already experienced this. Staying in quarantine for 2 weeks. I've done that during chickenpox. The lighter shade is done. Now I'm gonna do the darker one. Almost the same spot because we're just blending colors for now. I don't know what to talk about today. I really don't have a lot to talk about. It's just the same old work and Corona. That's not going anywhere. Everyone's been thinking, okay, now it's done, let's get out. As soon as you get out, it's back. I don't know if I went a bit too far. I think I did. But we'll see. Maybe just a little concealer will fix that. Now the darker brown that was on top of the black one. Again, the same place, just because we're just blending colors. Just blending. I'm picking a little bit of color and then I'm also wiping my brush off on the tissue paper so that there's not a lot. And then using the other brush to blend. Sort of just trying to blend it in the same spot and not go, you know, too much up. You guys tell me what do you want me to talk about? I'm gonna wipe all of that off, so just ignore that. Just went a bit No, for the scariest color, black. Just never used it, not used to it. People say it's hard to blend. So, let's see, I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna stay in here, so I don't have to wipe too much. I'm just scared I might not even have a video to show you guys. Like it's hard. Like the brush touches somewhere a little bit and it just goes. Okay, no. I can do this. It's not hard. I will do this. Don't worry guys, I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm actually gonna blend it. This is just me placing color. I tried not to go there, but I still went there. Never mind. I don't even think at this point it matters for me where it goes, but the eyes should just look same. I think I should just look in front. If you're looking directly that way and not like under, it helps because you can see where like the placement and where you're blending and where it's going. If you do it, you'll understand. I'm gonna go with some more black, a little bit more, because I think it needs to be darker. Now that I've decided that I'm going bold, I better go bold and not be scared. Don't need no more color, just blending. I'm gonna start with the blue now. That blue to start with for a base. I'm blending it inwards so that the blue just stays in for more black. Now I'm using the metallic blue. Metallic blue, glittery blingy shades don't work with brushes, so I'm dipping my finger in. Now there's too much blue here. Where did that come from? Because I use the same brush. And that's bold. Bold. I'm gonna wipe that, clean that, and just pray to the gods of eyeshadow and hope that this works. My teeth have started looking very yellow, I think. It's because of all the coffee that I drink every day. Okay, I'm gonna fix this because that's a bit much. I don't even know how to do this. People are like, oh, you do good makeup. I know nothing. Don't unsubscribe, please. Alrighty, now I'm gonna do a bit of blue and black at the bottom as well. Taking the black first and going on the sides. Using the non-metallic blue first. And now I'm going to put some metallic on the blue. For the inner corners, this one. And that's the final look. Hello. Okay, I feel like I should just go out someday, but I keep forgetting I don't have a life. Oh well, never mind. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video and I will see you next week. Oh, and don't forget to watch my video that's after this.
I'm a fly, she's my girl, in my fantasy world. Make time, I'm a darling.
Your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie no.
See you next week.